Get ready to start your engines because this month we're off to the races to join the Blue Crew and support Yamaha Racing. First up, let's cover the basics with some Yamaha Racing apparel. Whether your style is a comfortable quarter zip long sleeve that helps protect you from the sun, a simple mesh back hat that you can wear every day, or a hoodie to keep you warm between races, you're sure to find the answer in our lineup of Yamaha Racing apparel. July brings some of the hottest weather of the year, so it's important to stay hydrated at the track. Carry your beverage of choice in a durable, reusable Yamaha Racing stainless steel travel bottle. You can also support the team in your garage, shop, race trailer, or in the stands with one of our many Yamaha Racing items, like the garage flag, the counter stool, or the LED sign. Be sure to click the link in the description below to check out all the items in this video and to shop all Yamaha Racing accessories, or visit your local Yamaha dealer. And remember, the genuine Yamaha parts and accessories are the perfect fit for your Yamaha. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check the links in the description to see all the products mentioned in this video.